In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach Board Monopoly Go. If you're a fan of board games with strategic elements, then this game is perfect for you. It's a fun twist on the classic Monopoly we all know and love, but with a digital flair. Now let's dive into how you can excel at this exciting game. First, the aim is to advance to the next board in Monopoly Go. This is achieved by building all the properties on your current board. To do this, you need to collect landmark blocks from the colored spaces and place them onto your board. Each spot on your board must be filled before a new board can be unlocked. So make sure you focus on collecting and placing these blocks as a priority. When you land on a colored space, you collect a matching landmark block. This is essential to your progress. Once you have a block, it's time to place it on an empty building spot on your board. Ensure that the block is placed on a spot that matches its color. Important to note, you cannot skip the process of taking a block to move your Mr. Monopoly marker forward, so place those blocks diligently as soon as you get them. Keep at it until all the building spots are complete. This is a key milestone, as having all properties built on the board means you can then automatically advance to the next board. Each new board offers a fresh theme and a whole new set of properties for you to work on. It keeps the game fresh and challenges you to adapt to new conditions while still applying the core strategies. Speaking of strategies, let's talk about some tips to help you build faster and rise through the ranks. One effective technique is completing color sets. By filling an entire set of one color, you earn a bonus. This bonus is a great help in pushing you closer to leveling up more swiftly. Also, keep an eye out for events. These often provide chances to earn rewards or level up more quickly. They might involve collecting tokens or participating in special challenges, which add a fun and rewarding twist to your gaming experience. Additionally, pay attention to your dice multipliers. Using them strategically can give you a significant advantage. Save your higher dice multipliers for times when you're focused on building. This way, you stand a chance to earn more in a single turn, giving your strategy a powerful boost. By following these steps carefully and employing these tips, you'll find yourself advancing through Monopoly Go with confidence and ease. It's all about strategy and knowing when to grab those opportunities. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy gaming on your journey to mastering Monopoly Go.